Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, news, and fun, fun, fun. Did you know that we are specialists with Holland America? Oh, yes. And for those of you who are unaware, Holland America is a special cruise line out of the Netherlands. All of their ships pretty much end in the word damn. So you hear a lot of talk about those damn ships. No, we're not being indecent. We're talking about the ships that fall in the Holland America brand. So we've got the Westerdam, the Noordam, the Koningsdam, the Eurodam, and then there are a few diversions like the New Amsterdam and the Amsterdam. But then you've got the Volendam and the Veendam, and oh my gosh, so they really say, oh, those damn ships. So it's DAM, right? Don't get it wrong. Nevertheless, this is a fascinating company. It's been around for in excess of 100 years, and when we talk about cruising, Holland America stands head and shoulders above many of the other contemporary lines. When you talk about sailing to the Caribbean, Alaska, China to Singapore, oh my goodness, you must never forget Holland America. One of the things that's very exciting, particularly for our seniors, is the fact that there's so many educational activities on board for them, and many of them come back with a new skill. They can use a computer, they can edit their photos, they can send emails. Now, for those of us who were pretty much born into that activity, it might not seem such a novel item, but for our seniors, this is just such a joy because they are in a comfortable environment, learning skills that they never thought they'd ever master, and having lots of fun. What's exciting, however, is how the product has been redefined, and so it is excellent for the entire family, and our millennials are having absolute great times on Holland America as they sail the world, and they literally sail the world. And for the next year or two, we're going to be looking in depth on the offers of Holland America, including our world cruises. Take a look with us for now. Get your feet wet, because we are going to be doing Sheri-Fun Vibe Holland America style for a long, long time. Stick around. With Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we're all about the fun. Ciao for now.
Our version of tropical cruising? A bit more refined, where warm waters meet warm and impeccable service. And the stately blue hulls of our ships sail through balmy trade winds. With a range of intriguing itineraries: Caribbean, Hawaii, the Mexican Riviera, the Panama Canal, and others. We know you'll find our version of unwinding in the tropics truly different. Half Moon Key, our private island in the Bahamas, boasts a 2-mile crescent of perfect sand, protected by a calm and brilliant turquoise lagoon. Here, guests have the unique opportunity to ride specially trained quarter horses through the sparkling surf, make friends with stingrays, or how about taking off on an Aquatrax watercraft adventure? On board, learn the magic of Caribbean and Latin American cuisines through hands-on cooking classes in our Culinary Arts Center, presented by Food and Wine Magazine. And we offer our guests deeper insight and a wide range of enrichment talks, spending more time in port to appreciate the unique cultural assets of the places we visit. Our routes are designed to take you not just from island to island, but from one memorable experience to the next, courtesy of Holland America Line.
Her name is Dominica, and she lies here at the center of the Caribbean archipelago and the heart of Holland America Line's Uncommon Caribbean. An independent nation since 1978, Dominica is known as the Nature Isle and prides herself on rugged, unspoiled beauty and true Caribbean heart and spirit. Enjoy the uncrowded pace of our port city, Roseau. But it's the lush interior of Dominica that truly calls. The T2 Gorge, Trafalgar Falls, and the spectacular Emerald Pool. Holland America Line lets you choose a cruise that gives you time. 7 days, 2 weeks, or in between. All part of a deeper Caribbean experience, touched by the natural, honest beauty of this unforgettable isle, Dominica. Deep in the southern Caribbean, nestled in the Windward Islands, lies an emerald jewel waiting for you. Welcome to this tropical Eden, St. Lucia. Dramatic twin peaks rise 2,000 feet above the sea. Lush rainforests embrace the island. Beautiful coral reefs and sparkling waters beckon you to explore. Visit the world's only drive-in volcanic crater with its steamy sulfur springs. Explore the emerald green coastline. Linger. Unwind. Bask in the warm turquoise sea. Holland America Line lets you relax in stylish comfort with spacious staterooms, luxurious suites, and your own private veranda. Imagine a place where the deep green forests kiss the sea. It is here, waiting for you, the island of St. Lucia.
Cruising to all 7 continents, traveling to the world's most celebrated ports, as well as out-of-the-way undiscovered gems. This is the Holland America Line experience at its finest, blending inspired itineraries into rewarding, in-depth journeys. Embark on a South America voyage sailing around the tip of Cape Horn. Our Asia-Pacific itineraries visit China, Thailand, Japan, and Indonesia, ancient places and ultra-modern cities. Combine the friendly ports of Australia and the islands of the Pacific and New Zealand. Or step aboard the ultimate journey of a grand world voyage. These are rare opportunities to explore farther, giving you more insight and more time in port to experience the unique cultural and natural wonders of the world, arriving in gracious Holland America Line style, and returning each evening to your own personal retreat. Holland America Line's generously proportioned staterooms and verandas have been meticulously designed with comfort in mind, featuring our Mariner's Dream beds. And our spacious mid-sized ships are ideally suited to longer voyages. We invite you to see more of the world, experiencing it in the gracious style and exceptional comfort of Holland America Line.
It's an extraordinary island city on the Pearl River Delta facing the South China Sea. It is the meeting place of all things ancient and dreams of the future. It's the captivating seat of a culture, an economy, and world-changing technology. This is Hong Kong. Most of our Asian cruises begin or end here. And you'll want to extend your stay to really explore this fascinating city. Then, travel for mere minutes and find yourself in view of lush countryside and spellbinding seascapes. Here is the shopping hub of Asia, a fusion of East and West, and a sophisticated banquet of urban experience. Holland America Line stands alone in bringing you a dazzling view of Asia, its lands, and its cultures. And no star shines brighter than Hong Kong.